Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. This video, I got a announcement I want to make first. This Bitmain Antminer S21, I am going to be giving this exact one away on Bitcoin halving day. There is a Gleam link down in the description below for you to participate in this giveaway. It's free to entry and there's nothing that you need to buy. It's for the crypto mining community, for all you guys. I worked with Crypto Miner Bros to get this for you guys, and I just really appreciate all of you guys who have supported me over the years in just everything from for me making videos and all the value and content that I have gotten from you guys and hopefully have also endured from me over the years. Thank you for everyone for the support, and hopefully this is something where I can support you guys with this little giveaway here. Okay, well, it's not little. It's an S21. This is the new next generation Bitcoin miner. So I am gonna turn it on in this video here. I'm very curious to know how this fares in my environment. Some of you may remember I did do a review already of the S21 back in January, and now it's March, middle of March as of recording this video. So this is a March batch of the S21. So I'm just curious to know the efficiency of I guess this is the second or third batch now. I guess January, there's a January batch, February, March now. So I'm just curious of the power consumption and efficiency of this S21 in my environment currently, which is about 86 Fahrenheit in this general area. So I do have some numbers that I want to go through, compare from my S21 numbers, and then see how this one fares. This is not a 200 terahash model, but it says a 195 terahash model. So yeah, just curious to know how it's going to go in this video. So I'll be choosing the winner on the Bitcoin halving day. That's going to be fun in about a month from now. So good luck, guys. Get in the giveaway down below. Also, I want to do a 24-hour hash rate giveaway for this video here. So all you guys got to do, comment down below what you guys like about the S21 or don't like. Okay, give me your opinions regarding the S21 and what you guys like about it or don't like about it. And whoever wins in the next, after 24 hours of this video is uploaded, I will pin your comment, and then you guys will have to email me your whatever your Bitcoin address and the server that you want to mine on for this S21 for the next 24 hours. Okay, so good luck, everyone. Good luck. Get your comments in down below in this video. I will choose the winner in 24 hours. And yes, I did put my own sticker on it, so whoever wins this gets the beautiful RPM sticker on this S21. It's I love it. I love it. Okay, guys, let's plug this in. So some of you guys may or may not have seen the new revision power plug from Bitmain here. The biggest reason why they changed the plug is to apparently handle more throughput, more power, more voltage through this new revision plug, which I believe this is a P14. Okay, then it's supposed to go into, this is a P13, okay, plug. And then Bitmain does come with this cable, which goes into a C20. Okay, so P13 to C20, and then it plugs into the P14 here. And then the other end, the C20 cable plugs into a C19, which is normally in a PDU, power distribution unit, that I thankfully have on this PDU, which I got from Alibaba. I'll have a link down below where I bought this PDU. A lot of people ask me where I buy these, and it's on Alibaba. You can have different configurations and, you know, more C13, C14 plugs here, more C19 plugs. You can have also the voltage, amperage meter, wattage meter on here as well. There's like a surge protector module as well as the breaker here as well. So yeah, this is a really nice PDU. I'm running it on all of my other ASIC miners right now and GPUs, and it works great thus far. So without further ado, let's plug it in and see what kind of numbers we get here. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna plug in the network cable, which is gonna go at the top here. Okay, next one is gonna be the P13 cable. Okay, so I'm gonna plug this in. So the colors are supposed to match where you're going to be plugging it in here. Okay, and it does look like there's like 2 hots on the ground, and then there's a red one here that's obviously not being used. Okay, similar to the inside the Bitmain plug there, P14, there's nothing being plugged or nothing being used there. So just gonna line it up like so. And it clips in, has a nice sound clip. Okay, there's clips here if you want to unplug it. You just have to unplug it here like this. Okay, so the other end now. Okay, this thing is probably going to start screaming. Gonna plug into the PDU. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. It does take a little bit to turn on, I noticed. It just made a tick. Now it's turning on. Alright, so hopefully this S21 that we're giving away on Bitcoin Halving Day is going to last all the way till then. I do have extra fans. Okay, some of you may remember I did have issues with my first S21, the first batch S21. One of the fans died and the whole miner stopped working. So if that happens again, I do have extra fans to replace on this just in case. Just in case. This thing is very loud. Okay, let me go into the computer and let me get the IP address using advanced IP scanner. Be right back. Okay, 10.100.100.115. Alright, I put that in the address bar. Okay, and it did come up. So the password, username password is going to be root and root. And that should let me in. Okay. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna put in my wallet address and stuff. I'm just gonna mine this to like nice hash or something. Okay, be right back. Okay, I'm gonna hit save and there we go. Okay, so now it should start mining to the nice hash pool I specified. Now, I'm curious if there is a firmware update on this Bitmain. Actually, and as well as, does this have the low power mode? Yes, it does, low power. Okay, we're gonna test that as well. Very curious to know, very curious to know. All right, let me check if there's a new firmware. Okay, so it says there's a S21 initial firmware version. It comes from February 26, 2024. So when I go to the Antminer I have here, S21, it says December 2nd, 2023. So I'm curious to know if actually if I update it with that one on the website, if it's going to change this date here. You know what? Let me try. I'm going to update the firmware. Okay, and I just downloaded it and I'm going to choose this one and we're going to update. Okay, let's see if I bricked it or it's going to update. Yeah, I did choose the right one, S21. Okay, we'll see if this works. Okay, so this refreshing here, and it looks like it did change the date. So this might be a newer firmware version on this S21. I think that's good. Yeah, February 2nd. So it looks like that seemed to work. Okay, so it looks like it's just ramping up now on normal mode, and let's see what the efficiency of this thing is going to be in a second. Okay, after about a couple minutes, I'm using about 37, 39, 40 watts. Okay, it's fluctuating a bit. As I'm going up in ambient temperature, it's about 89 Fahrenheit now. This thing is probably going to use a little bit more juice, because if I just show you guys the infographic here on Bitmain's website, your environment is going to have a huge effect on the joules per terahash, the efficiency on these S21s. Okay, this is in Celsius here. So you can see here, this graph here, the ambient temperature does play the part. All right, so if you're over like 100 Fahrenheit, your 200 terahash S21 is probably going to go down to 180 terahash. Okay, as it gets hotter. But of course, it's going to cause more resistance as the heat is going to start building up. It's going to use more power, and so the efficiency, as you can see, it's, you know, advertised 17.5 joules per terahash. As the ambient temperature goes up, it gets worse in efficiency, as you guys can see. So same thing is happening right now with mine. Okay, so my numbers here, I have the S21 195 terahash model. I'm actually getting about 198 to 199, fluctuating around there, almost 200 terahash on this model. But yeah, it's going not bad, but I'm getting about 18.8 joules per terahash right now. That's my efficiency on this S21 195 terahash model. So now let me try the low power mode. Okay, my stock S21, the 200 terahash one, which I was getting 204 terahash, I was about 19 joules per terahash, but that was around 95 Fahrenheit. And you know what? My ambient temperature is continuing to climb, so it's gonna get worse here. So just keep that in mind. I'll update the numbers as we go along here. But let me try low power mode. All right, and I did do low power mode when I had 69 Fahrenheit in my ASIC area, when I had much cooler temperatures. And you can see I was getting 160 terahash, 2,590 watts at 16.1 joules per terahash. Very, very efficient. Okay, but of course at lower temperatures. So at low power mode though, when I had 95 Fahrenheit, it was a 17.7 joules per terahash, watt per hash. Okay, you can see the power consumption went up from 2590 to 2837. So you can see the difference there in ambient temperatures on my other S21. So let me go ahead and try low power mode on this S21 now. Okay, 195 terahash, we can just do it on the fly here. Low power mode, save, and let's see if this changes on the fly. And I think it will. Yes. Okay, let me give it a bit. Okay, on low power mode, 2,725 watts. Okay, my ambient temperature is about 91 right now, and it is humming along. It's actually not that loud. It's actually not that bad. But efficiency wise, yes, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. So 155 terahash I'm getting. Okay, I'll show you here. Around, yeah, 155. Averaging right now, okay, after 5 minutes, 2725 watts. So that's going to be a efficiency of 17.5, okay, joules per terahash or watt per hash. So obviously Bitmain advertised this, you know, S21s at like 17.5 joules per terahash. So I'm getting that, yes, but this is on low power mode with a, you know, ambient temperature of around 90. Okay, so it's, yeah, this is okay. It's great, but this is wherein lies my issue with the idea of purchasing S21s right now versus maybe the S19K Pro. So I actually have an S19K Pro, brand new in box, 120 terahash that I do want to test on, you know, doing more low power mode as well as firmwares to get, you know, closer efficiency, like maybe 20, maybe 21 joules per terahash. So, you know, those are what, like 1,600 bucks right now. So, you know, I could buy maybe 3 of them versus one S21. So, you know, it just depends. And of course your electrical cost matters as well. So, but anyways, guys, that's all I really wanted to do today. Showing you guys the difference there, low power mode on this S21 and normal mode, and the efficiency and my ambient temperatures. But yeah, this thing otherwise is very good. I mean, if we are on the brink of the Bitcoin bull run here, as you know, Bitcoin did hit over what, 70K, then this S21, as the future goes on, if Bitcoin goes to 100K or more, this is obviously going to be a good buy, because if you buy it now, which is around $4,700, this thing could be worth even more in the bull run. You know, previous times in history, you know, S9s or S19s, they were over 15 grand at one point, $15,000, and that was in the previous bull run in 2021. So what's not to say the S21 here could be worth $15,000 when Bitcoin's 100K, 150K. Who knows? We'll see if when that time comes. But guys, biggest thing is this, I'm giving this away on Bitcoin halving day. Okay, so I guess with the efficiency of this thing will still be profitable per se at the current levels of Bitcoin. With the hash rate difficulty, all that kind of stuff. And as well, guys, get your comments in down below for this video. What your thoughts on the S21, whether good or bad. Give me your opinions down below, and I will choose a winner 24 hours after this video is uploaded for 24-hour hash rate from this S21 here. Okay, I will pin your comment. You guys just have to contact me with your server address and Bitcoin address, or whichever mining pool you want to mine to for the next 24 hours for this S21. So good luck, everyone. You guys, thank you for watching. Thank you guys so much. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this giveaway here on Bitcoin halving day. Get in on the Gleam link down below. I appreciate the whole crypto mining community. I'm trying to do more giveaways here because I really appreciate you guys. You guys have changed my life for the better. Without you guys, I would be nothing. Appreciate you all. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out.